Hi guys, me again. Today we will learn the structures of verbs in Turkish and I will give you some words and their meanings which we use in daily life. So let's start with the structures of verbs. I want to explain this subject with examples. To make, yapmak. To go, gitmek. So we see that instead of using to in English, we use mek or mak in Turkish. Do you remember hard and soft vowel rules in Turkish? They also work in the subject. According to the type of last vowel of the word takes mek or mak extension. So, what about ing? Making, yapma, going, gitme. In the case of using ing extensions in English, we use me or ma extensions in Turkish. Also, hard and soft vowel rules work on this subject. At the same time, I want to teach you a trick. When you use that kind of words alone, they mean command in Turkish. Don't make, yapma. Don't go, gitme. Now, I want to give you some simple words we use in daily life. To drink, içmek. To eat, yemek. To walk, yürümek. To see, görmek. To look, bakmak. To read, okumak. To write, yazmak. To watch, seyretmek. To talk, to speak, konuşmak. To call by phone, aramak. To search, to look for, aramak. To call someone, çağırmak. To find, bulmak. To love, sevmek. To like, hoşlanmak. To wash, yıkamak. To clean, temizlemek. To wear, giymek. To take off, çıkarmak. To get off, taksi, bus, inmek. To get on, binmek. To enjoy, eğlenmek. To listen, dinlemek. To hear, duymak. To remember, hatırlamak. To forget, unutmak. To excuse, affetmek. To apologize, özür dilemek. To go, gitmek. To come, gelmek. To want, istemek. To think, düşünmek. To run, koşmak. To get cold, üşümek. To sweat, terlemek. To cook, pişirmek. To pull, çekmek. To push, itmek. To stop, durmak. To finish, bitirmek. To buy, satın almak, almak. To sell, satmak. If you know these daily verbs, I think you can express yourself in Turkey. Now, your task is to search and translate other verbs which you can use in daily life. I will give you some daily words in next video. After that, we will start to use them together. Continue following our videos. See you in next video.